This song's called Sleeping at Your House Again, and it's about having sex. A lot of stuff to say. Well, a lot. We've got 2 t-shirts and 2 variants on the same record. So if you like us, it'd be nice if you come and say hi and maybe buy a record or t-shirt. And if you hate us and you want to ensure we've got enough diesel to get out of here and never come back, maybe buy something and donate some money because that'll help. Cheers.
Buy our record before you look in the distro and see way better records. Okay? Just buy ours then. Browse at your leisure.
This one's called He Told Me So, that Richard Marriott.